Transform your bedroom with our fabulous bedroom accessories. As bedrooms are such personal spaces, it's critical to decorate yours in a way that reflects your taste and needs. This hardworking space should keep you happy by giving you energy in the morning so you wake up refreshed to be serene enough to help you wind down with ease. So we've gathered our favorite bedroom ideas to help you create your own blissful bubble boudoir. Hey viewers, welcome back to Product Review Hub. Today, we're back with an amazing topic. We'll discuss how you can transform your bedroom with our fabulous bedroom accessories. Are you guys excited? Without any delay, let's dive right into the video. But before that, please make sure you hit that bell icon and subscribe to the channel to get every single update about our channel. What we like best about decorating a bedroom is that you don't have to make major changes to see and feel great results. A simple headboard change, new colorful cushions for your best bedding sets, or even a statement rug can add depth to your bedroom decor. So number one is a bedside table lighting. It feels great to spend so much time reading before going to bed. As a result, your bedroom deserves a little more attention to its stylistic charm in order to energize your mood with a soothing and pleasing feel. Nothing can be more enticing than sitting down in the dreamy glow of a bedside lamp to heighten your fairy tale imagination. When you have some lovely bedside lamps, it's not difficult to glam up your bedroom. Choose lights that will brighten your mood while you relax on your bed. Simply add more style with a stunning approach to make each of your dreamy nights a sight to behold. The next one is bed frame. A good night's sleep is frequently attributed to the quality of the mattress. However, the bed frame that the mattress sits on can be just as important. The bed frame is the foundation of the mattress, and without a good frame to place your mattress on, squeaking, creaking, sliding, and other noises can disrupt your sleep. One of the primary functions of a bed frame is to keep your mattress in place. That's why a frame that's too big or too small for your mattress will inevitably cause unnecessary shifting and sliding as you move around in bed. This means waking up in the morning to disheveled sheets, pillows sliding down into the cracks, or, if the frame is too small, the potentially dangerous scenario of the mattress hanking. Mattress, which can be the major factor in a beautiful change in your bedroom. One might think that a good mattress is necessary for good sleep, but it does so much more. It reduces stress and anxiety, benefits the mind and body, and improves our overall life quality. The sleeping surface is as important to the human body as sleep is. A perfect sleeping surface guarantees good posture while we sleep in order to protect our back. While we sleep, the muscles and ligaments in our back relax and heal. A good sleeping surface maintains the natural curve of the spine and keeps our ears, shoulders, and hips aligned even when we turn while sleeping. A good mattress can mean the difference between a good night's sleep and a sleepless night. A good mattress provides the ideal balance of comfort and support, preserving natural spinal alignment and body posture and significantly improving sleep quality. The next one is a decent dresser. Most people have at least one dresser, but size, style, and placement are the most important factors in creating ambiance. You might be able to fit a large dresser or two with enough square footage. If your bedroom's small, you might want to get a compact dresser or keep a larger one in the closet. Though dressers help you stay organized and tidy by giving you a place to store your belongings, the key is to not overcrowd your space. Furthermore, a dresser does not have to be, well, a dresser. You might consider getting a credenza, chest, or hutch instead, depending on the rest of your furniture and the size of your room. Moving forward, we can also consider a storage bench or ottoman. Storage benches and ottomans make excellent bed end caps. A bench or ottoman, whether wood, upholstered, tufted, or velvet, will elongate the look of your bed while complementing the rest of your decor. Furthermore, a lidded bench or ottoman can be used to store extra pillows and blankets, seasonal bedding, and anything else you want to keep out of the way. You don't even have to put it at the foot of the bed. Benches look great against a wall or next to a window, and ottomans can go almost anywhere, including the middle of the room. Next on our list is a headboard. If you get a backless bed frame, you should probably get a headboard as well. Because your bed is the focal point of your bedroom, it's crucial to visually anchor it. Oversized pieces can make a bold statement, but low-profile designs provide a more refined look. However, a headboard does more than just look good. It can also improve the comfort of your bed by providing pillow support and a backrest for when you want to sit up and read or watch TV. Next, an overhead light can be proved a game changer in the process of your decor. An overhead light is one of these bedroom necessities that doesn't really add to the ambiance. However, upgrading the fixture can go a long way. Consider a stylish pendant light, track lighting, lighted fan, or a vintage chandelier. Whatever style you choose, you should probably stick with relatively bright bulbs for better visibility when getting dressed, sitting at your vanity, or looking for something you misplaced. Install a dimmer so you can adjust the brightness as needed. Nowadays, a chandelier or ceiling spotlights are in trend, so how can you avoid them? Your bedroom is the only place in your house where you can get a good night's sleep. As a result, having the right type of lighting in your bedroom is critical to the quality of sleep you can get. Spotlights have become more popular than other types of lights as they have evolved over time. These lights have the ability to transform any room, including your bedroom, into a pleasant and peaceful environment in which you can fully relax. The success of spotlight installation is solely dependent on your space and light fixture selection. Spotlights are an important part of the overall lighting scheme of your favorite place to relax, your bedroom. They can be used to draw attention to specific areas of your room or to create a more subtle ambient effect. Whatever type of spotlight you use, from recessed lights to wall scones and track lighting, will add functionality, style, and the perfect amount of light to your bedroom. And a classy one, our next accessory is a large or full-length mirror. Most people cannot imagine their lives in their homes without mirrors. Their value cannot be overstated. Even though they may go unnoticed, they are an essential part of our daily lives. You wouldn't walk into an office confidently if you didn't check yourself in the mirror before leaving the house, would you? You can't go a day without using a full-length mirror. That is on the grooming side of things. Mirrors are now much more than just a tool for grooming. As they add elegance and brightness to spaces, they're increasingly becoming homeowners' favorite pieces of home decor. Full-length mirrors can make your space appear larger in addition to being functional. A full-length mirror should always be present in your bedroom. It should also be placed in an area with adequate lighting. For example, placing it in a closet door may not be a good idea in this case. Because most bedrooms double as dressing rooms, a full-length mirror here would be ideal for getting a full reflection without tiptoeing. It'll also increase the brightness of your bedroom. Last, but certainly not least, this can be called the psychology of your bedroom: bed sheets and pillowcases. Bed sheets are non-negotiable bedroom necessities that help to extend the life of your mattress while keeping you comfortable while you sleep. Consider how important sleeping well is to your happiness and well-being when choosing bed sheets. You deserve to sleep well every night, so it's worth splurging on high-quality bedding to ensure you get enough shut-eye. Get your hands on some attractive pillowcases and shams to add some texture. Sheet sets typically include 1 or 2 pillowcases, but you may want to purchase extras if you like changing them out frequently. Furthermore, duvet cover sets typically include matching shams, although you can choose a different color or material for more contrast. Consider a brushed cotton or silk pillowcase for a soft, luxurious feel. Consider materials such as percale or linen for shams. So for now, I think we're at the end of the video. I sure hope you enjoyed our video, and if you did, well, please give this video a thumbs up, smash that subscribe button, and make sure you press that bell icon too while you're at it so you never miss any updates. We always have new material getting uploaded on the regular. If you have any questions or comments on your mind, or any other suggestion or feedback, please let us know in the comment space down below. We always check, and we always love hearing from you, our viewers. Hey, make sure you check out our channel where you'll find some more really cool stuff, just like what you just watched. Hey, we thank you for spending part of your day with us today. Thanks for watching our video, and have a great rest of your day.